The Hormuz Strait, a razor-thin waterway that narrows to just 21 miles at its tightest point, has resurfaced as the world's most volatile choke point. Stretching between Iran's southern coast and the United Arab Emirates, it channels roughly a fifth of global petroleum, over 20 million barrels of oil each day, along with a steady flow of liquefied natural gas and container traffic. In the past week, a series of high-profile incidents, ranging from Iranian drone launches that brushed past commercial tankers to a U.S. naval escort reporting near misses, have thrust Hormuz into headlines, sparking fears of a repeat of the 2019-2020 confrontations that sent oil prices spiraling. Why is it trending now? The timing aligns with three converging forces. First, a renewed diplomatic deadlock between Tehran and Washington over Iran's nuclear program has heightened military posturing on both sides. Second, the global energy market is already jittery after unexpected supply cuts in Europe and volatile demand patterns post-pandemic, making any threat to oil flow a catalyst for price spikes. Third, social media platforms have amplified real-time footage from the Strait, ships broadcasting live footage of smoke plumes, sailors posting frantic updates, turning a regional security issue into a worldwide conversation. The broader impact is profound. For oil-importing nations, any disruption could trigger a sharp rise in gasoline prices, inflating inflation and pressuring central banks. Shipping companies may reroute vessels around the Cape of Good Hope, adding weeks to transit times and billions in extra fuel costs. Politically, the episode tests the resilience of existing maritime security frameworks like the International Maritime Organization and the U.S. Fifth Fleet's deterrence posture. Analysts warn that a miscalculation could spark a larger naval clash, dragging other regional powers, such as Saudi Arabia, the United Kingdom, and even Russia, into a confrontation that would reverberate across global trade. As diplomats scramble for a diplomatic back-channel, the world watches the narrow strait, aware that the balance between diplomatic dialogue and military brinkmanship will shape not only the fate of Hormuz but the stability of the global energy system for years to come.